feeling really nervous because I've booked the Airbnb and Dan doesn't know where we're going. I'm really excited, but I'm also scared that we're not going to get there because I'm in charge of all the directions and all the transport. I'm really nervous and I really hope you like it. I think you're going to love it.
It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, fine. It's going to be flipping brilliant. It's going to be
Fabulous.
yeah. We're on the street. This is our boat, Sirius. Sirius Black. Hey Dad. You.
Hello.
That's so cute and wobbly, and you can hear the water like splooshing here. And our little kitchenette. Oh. And a sink and some things for coffee and tea and a microwave and a little fridge and a little toilet. Tiniest little toilet you've ever seen in your life. Tiniest and cutest. Oh, Dan's after some privacy. I'm gonna have it like an ever so slight like wobble while we sleep tonight. And you can drive the boat here. And a little table and lots of fur. And how do we make this work? Hey Dan. Yonder. Woohoo! And if it's sunny, you can fly the boat from upstairs.
Fly in.
Yeah, I ride it.
Oost, 7 kilometer. De rechterrijstrook is dicht, kost je ruim een half uur.
Boat time! That's a good boat there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good boat.